this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you why my husband and I have been using this shampoo, PURA D'OR, and how we've been loving it. My husband and I have been using PURA D'OR Original Gold Label because we both noticed some hair thinning. We've been using it for over 2.5 months, and we have definitely seen some improvement. We love the fact that the shampoo has active herbal ingredients, and we know we are giving our hair the best and nourishing it. This has even improved my husband's dandruff, and he has been loving it. We also appreciate that we are avoiding all those harmful ingredients that can affect not only our hair, our scalp, but also our health. My husband and I have been loving this shampoo. We both use it. We love the fact that we can see the decrease of hair fall. Our hair also feels healthier. We recommend this, but that's just our point of view.